Well, this is not the NASDAQ 100. It is June 18th, 6 a.m. And as you can see, it's up by a couple of points. It is running into strong resistance here. And at this point, most people start taking profit. And so I'm expecting this market come to that level and pull back again. In the long term, I expect this market to pull back after this level and then do this journey again. Because it's just too high. You see the extension. People start taking profit and so forth. Unless there's strong tech economy news that is going to propel this to highest levels. I don't see it breaking this level, but I may be wrong. So if you're trading, be careful. Wait for this market to pull back to a level at this level before you probably want to start trading it. Happy trading, and see you next time.